Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add panels on your Twitch account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need is your Twitch account. So once you open your Twitch, you will end up in this kind of interface. So to add panels to your Twitch channel, all you need to do is simply get logged in into your account and then navigate to your channel page. Now simply click About option, and once you click on it, you need to now simply toggle on the Edit Panels option. Once you do this, you need to click the plus icon to create a new panel. Choose text, images, or extensions. After you have done this, you need to configure it and click on the Submit button. Once every step is completed, you will be able to add panels on your Twitch channel as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon.